Hi, today I will be showing you how to find Instagram password and username. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So let's start. First, what you're going to do here is you have to launch your Instagram application. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now it's really easy to find Instagram username. So you just have to simply click your profile. This is your username and this is your name. If you tap on this edit profile right here, then you will see all information here, such as your name, your username, your pronouns, bio, and links. So basically, that's how easy it is to find Instagram username. But when it comes to password, if you go to settings and activity and then tap on account center, scroll down, tap on password and security, click change password. Basically, you cannot see any option here where you can see your password. If you want to simply change your password, you need to have or you need to know your current password first, then you can change password. So there's no way that you can find your password here on your Instagram application. But here's another method in order for you to do that. You can go to your Google web browser, and then this time you have to make sure that you have the same account or you have logged in here in the email address that you have used on your Instagram. So if you search Instagram right here and then tap on this three dots, scroll down and look for settings. Now here on settings, you will see this Google Password Manager. What you're going to do is you have to tap that one. Here you will see all the applications that you have logged into this account or to this device. All you have to do is search for Instagram. Then basically, once you tap this Instagram right here, it will take you directly to Instagram email address or your username, also your password. All you have to do is to tap on that eye icon, copy, and then paste that. So this is just one of the ways on how to find your password here on your Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.